Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Voiceflow tutorial video. This is the second video in our series, and today we are going to be showing you how you can go ahead and test your Alexa skills on your Alexa devices. I'm going to mute this. I have an Alexa device here ready to go, and it was listening to me. And so we're actually going to test your skills on device, as well as we're going to show you how you can share a test link that you can share with colleagues and friends. And then you can also, we're going to go into more in-depth testing on the Voiceflow test tool itself. So first, let's go into the Voiceflow test tool. You can see we are on the project from the last episode. And again, you can download this in the description below. But first, let's go into the test tool here, and you'll see, just like before.
Hi there. What is your favorite color?
We can go ahead and test it, and I'll say something like red.
I like red too.
There we go. Super simple. But you can see on the test tool here, it just did the interactions between the user and Alexa. Sometimes you want to get a little bit more advanced, and so we can go into settings here, and we can go down to the bottom, and you'll see there's debug mode. And so what debug mode allows you to do is as Alexa is actually processing choices and it's making API calls and it's changing variables, you want to be able to see what's happening behind the scenes to know why Alexa said what Alexa said. And so let's actually redo this test.
Hi there. What is your favorite color?
Blue.
I like blue too.
And you'll see right there with that little icon of debug mode, process choice block path 2. So super simple way to quickly see what Alexa is actually doing behind the scenes in your Voiceflow test tool. Now it is worth noting that the Voiceflow test tool does not, it's not a perfect representation of exactly what you're going to have on Alexa, but it's pretty good. In like 90% of cases, what you get in the Voiceflow test tool is what you're going to have when you're actually testing on Alexa, but they're not always perfect, just to let you know. So if I go into settings here, you'll see these variables. If you are using variables, so for example, if you want to change a session variable, so for example, if you want to test what would it be like if it was on the second session for this user, you can go ahead and here and you can manipulate the test variables that will be initiated with the next testing. But we haven't gotten into variables yet, so I'm not going to talk about that. Cool, so that is the Voiceflow test tool. Another great thing you can do is you can go up here and you can hit share test. And you can actually get a testable link. And so if I go into my browser, I can pop this link open. Oh. There we go. And now in the Voiceflow, you'll see that it just generated this link, or sorry, this page right here. And I can share this link with other folks, and then they can go in and they can test out our project, and it looks like this.
Hi there. What is your favorite color?
Red.
I like red too.
And you can see we actually left on debug mode, so the user that we shared the link with sees debug mode as well. But again, this is just a really simple way to share your project, all with a simple URL link. But we're going to go back into Voiceflow here, into demo project 1. And now we actually want to test on device. So again, I do have a 3rd gen Echo Dot with me today, and we are going to link to our Amazon Developer Console. And so what we want to do is, if you haven't done this before, you're going to hit upload to Alexa, and Voiceflow will prompt you to connect to Amazon. And when it does this, it's going to open up a link. And I'm going to go down to my password here, and I'm going to sign in with my Amazon Developer account. Now you can see that because I already have an Amazon Developer account and I just linked it up there, it's going to start uploading to my Alexa device right away. But if you don't have an Alexa Developer account, that is more than okay. It's about a 1-page form to get one. It's entirely free, and you'll actually be brought to that page if you don't have one already through Voiceflow. It's super simple. Now, it's really important to note that when you are linking your Amazon Developer account, to use the Amazon account that is linked with all of your Alexa devices. This is so that when you are testing, your Amazon Developer account, which you just created, is linked with the developer account, your Amazon account on your device. That's what's going to allow you to send prototypes to your own devices. Great, so you can see here, upload successful. Now I'm going to click on this button, and I'm going to go to the Alexa simulator here. Now, we don't have to. Again, this is on the Alexa Developer Console where you're going to see your full list of Alexa skills, and you can actually test them out in browser. So I'll try that here. I'll say open demo project 1.
Hi there. What is your favorite color?
And I can either use my voice or I can just type. I'll just type for now, and I'll say red.
I like red too.
There we go. So we've already done that before, but now we actually want to try it on device. So I'm going to unmute my device here. Oh, actually I need to tell you about invocation names first. So, what an invocation name is, it's the name to open a particular application. And so in this case, our invocation name is demo project 1. However, we can change our invocation name to be different than the project name. So Voiceflow by default sets the project name equal to the invocation name at the start of your project. However, if you wanted Alexa to say, Alexa open Braden test, or Alexa open, I don't know, open house demo, or something of that nature, you can change the invocation name, which is what you have to tell Alexa to open, and you can change that right here. Again, Voiceflow sets the project name, which is the name of the project when you first create on Voiceflow, sets the project name equal to the invocation name, but you can make it custom so that they differ if you want to. We're going to leave it for the purposes of this demo though. So I'm going to have my Alexa device here, turn off mute, and say, Alexa, open demo project 1.
Hi there. What is your favorite color?
Blue.
I like blue too.
There we go. So super, super simple. Now, what's a lot of fun about Voiceflow is you can quickly go back and forth and prototype and make changes. And so let's actually go ahead and change the blue answer to say blue is way, way better than red. And we'll actually change the voice too. We'll use the Joey voice if the user says blue. And so we just made a change, and we're going to upload it to Alexa, and it's going to go ahead, and Voiceflow is generating that code that's then uploading to Alexa for us. Oh, my device keeps turning on and off. And so we're going to wait a couple of seconds here for Voiceflow to actually generate that code and upload it to our Alexa device for us. By the way, if you found that your Alexa isn't tied to the right Amazon account that you just created for Voiceflow for your Amazon developer account, you can go into your Alexa app on your phone and you can switch that. Okay, great. So upload successful. So now let's try it again. Alexa, open demo project 1.
Hi there. What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue is way, way better than red.
So you can see there, we just had the different voice, and we actually just went ahead and made a change in less than 30 seconds that was uploaded to our Alexa developer account, and then simultaneously to our Alexa device. So that is a super simple way for you to prototype on Voiceflow. Now again, just to recap what we went over this video, we went through the Voiceflow test console here, and I showed you guys the settings as well as the ability to share a testable link and be able to send that to folks. And then we also went through linking your Amazon developer account to Voiceflow and then being able to test on device. And we also discussed invocation names, which is the name you want to be able to launch your application. Great. Okay, so in the next couple of videos, they're going to be a lot of fun because we're starting to go over logic. And so this is going to make your voice apps really, really powerful. So it's not just Alexa speaking and the user making a choice. But you can start to add some brains to your Alexa skill and make them a lot more engaging. Great. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.